Hi there, my name is Josiah Paletta, and I am teaching sociology this year. I've been teaching it for the last couple of years. This is my fourth year here at Van Wert. So, a little bit about sociology. Sociology is the study of human interaction. So, the thing I try to get them to know is that the world is bigger than just Van Wert and bigger than the United States. So, we try to go out to talk about how things are throughout the world, a little bit about how we look at people's cultures and why society is different throughout the world. Another big part of society that I discuss is differing opinions, because all throughout society, we more and more we're living into a divided nation, into a divided society. So I try to get them to, we have debates or discussions where they have a topic that they want to discuss about. The first couple are usually something silly, every year I get like, is a hot dog a sandwich, or what kind of what kind of cereal I like the most and why that's the best. And they just have to back up their opinion with a with the first part. It's like their opinions, but after that, when we dive into a more serious topic, it's they have to bring facts and information about that defend their opinion, and they also have to field questions from the rest of the class about maybe why that isn't completely correct, or why you can have a different view on things. So basically what I'm trying to teach them is it's okay to have differing opinions. It's okay to have different views. And uh, you're going to get those questions. But if you can't defend them, we're not into teaching them who yells the loudest is who's right. I really want to teach them, like, this is how you defend your opinion. This is how you talk about um, opinions that are different from your own, and doing so with the respect uh, that people deserve, instead of just yelling out that you're wrong and not supplying any facts and information. So that's one thing. I'm trying to get rid of that stigma with argument, debating. It's not just an argument; it is literally a discussion about a topic. That way, we can all learn from it and learn other people's opinions respectfully. Um, by now you should have had, your student should have brought home a syllabus for you to sign so that they can put that and log that into Echo. The reason that is we watch some videos that are obviously go into stereotypes, and the stereotypes play a big part of society and the way we view other people. Um, and I want permission to be able to show those to you. Nothing rated R or anything like that. PG-13 is the most, but again, I want just permission to be able to show them things like that. Like one of the ones we watch is Coach Carter. Um, Coach Carter shows a divide in race and income, and why people view each other differently just because of those simple factors. So hopefully by now they've had that signed to you and that you've been able to read over it. Most of the stuff is that they won't have their phone in class, that they're not going to put earbuds in, that when it's appropriate, when they need to wear masks and whatnot. And I try to space people out as much as possible. But the biggest thing is I look forward to being able to have you guys students in class, your kids in class, and for me to have a new group of students to be able to teach this stuff too. Usually kids really enjoy it, and I hope this year continues to be the same. Thank you.